Hi, this is Suzy from sistersofthespoon.com, and I'm here to show you a recipe today to celebrate National Bittersweet Chocolate Day. It's National Bittersweet Chocolate Day, and so I'm going to show you how to make a healthier mousse. It's kind of like pudding, but it's really tasty. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and I have the recipe on here too, so if you need the ingredients, there they are. So we're going to start out with, we melted our chocolate already, and so I have it in here, and we're going to take and add that to avocado. That's right. This is what makes it healthier, is the avocado. So I've taken and added avocado with 3/4 cups brown sugar into a blender. I blended that together, and now we're going to put the chocolate in there and blend that together also. And it says to have this going while, have your blender going while you add the chocolate. I had it at a lower speed, now I'm going to put it at a little higher speed. So we're adding with this bittersweet chocolate, there was a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And so we're blending that together, and now we have 6 egg whites. You take and crack them open and separate the egg whites, and we're going to put that in here. We're going to get these to soft peak. And they're just about done. And so the recipe calls for 12 ounces of chocolate, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 6 egg whites of avocado, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And so now these are at a nice soft peak. So I'm going to take this off here. And we're going to have taken, oh my goodness, I think my blender got a little hot. Anyway, we're going to take and add the chocolate now to the egg whites. That batter must have been a little bit thick for my blender. My blender is quite old too. So now you take and add this chocolate mixture into the egg whites. I'm going to get a little bigger spatula here. Yeah, and since we're live, you never know what's going to happen, right? This is the first time I've gone live with the SOS vlog, and you can find us on Facebook at SOS Suzy or Sharon's blog. And so now what you want to do is fold that egg whites in there. And you want to get it in well incorporated in there. And this is going to what makes your mousse light and airy. And it's going to be a delicious chocolate flavor. And just in time to celebrate National Bittersweet Chocolate Day. So we have a website. It's sistersofthespoon.com. And we've had a few episodes already. And usually it's my sister and myself that do the episodes. But she's on her way to Panama City Beach. We're snowbirds in Florida. So I'm going to be going, my husband and I will be flying out a little bit later. But right now she's on her way there. And we spend the winter there, or part of the winter anyway. So anyway, you take and incorporate that chocolate in here. And once that chocolate's all mixed in, then you're going to take and put it in a dish and cool it in the refrigerator. You can cool it for 1 hour before you serve it to your guests, or you can take and cover it and leave it overnight. I think I'm going to get a spoon to spoon that out. And Sisters of the Spoon is our blog, which is a video blog. And we also have the blog on our website, sistersofthespoon.com. And we take and we'll show some cooking tips. But what the gist of it is where Sharon will show her style of cooking. We might cook same item or same type of item. Maybe it'll be a dessert or an appetizer. Or what's coming out on Sunday is we have roasted chickens, and then we show how we roasted the chickens. So anyway, if you go to our Facebook page, we put posts out on there, and then take in show our recipes, or we have tips. Right now we have tips on snowbirding if you're thinking of snowbirding, what to pack. And so what you want to do is get this all stirred in there, folded in there real good, and then we're going to pour it into that bowl. And then you can serve it up with whipped cream and raspberries, or you can just have it plain, but I think whipped cream goes good. But the ordinarily the chocolate mousse has whipped cream that's folded into it. And so that's what this is, a little healthier because it has the avocado rather than using whipped cream. And so we're getting that mixed up pretty good in there. And once that is well incorporated in there, then we're going to take and put it in the dish to cool, and then it's ready to serve for supper. So check out our website. This looks like it's ready to go. We're going to just pour it in there. I'm going to take this egg white that's on the corner here, get that out of the way, otherwise we're going to have a little bit of white in there. Like I said, this is the first time live doing this, so just wanted to check this out as far as get a little practice before we do it together as sisters. And so now we're going to take and I'm going to just pour a little bit in this dish here. See if I can get it in there without glopping it all over the... And then you have your chocolate mousse. It's kind of like a pudding. So anyway, hope you check out our website. On our Facebook page is SOS Suzy or Sharon's blog. And this is what the chocolate mousse looks like. Now you put it in the fridge and you will have that ready for supper. So check out our website, sistersofthespoon.com, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.